Welcome to the Science Kid. I'm your host, Quinn Friedman. And in today's episode, we're going to be doing another science experiment.
Nice! You haven't done these in forever.
I know, right? In this experiment, you will see how the water around you have tiny little organisms that you wouldn't even realize are living there. Organisms are everywhere. In research studies, scientists believe that there are over 8.5 million species of organisms on Earth. So in this experiment, you will see how the different kinds of water around you have so many different organisms that you can't even imagine. You will need a microscope, a concave slide which can be found on most microscopes, a dropper, and different sources of water. First, set up your microscope, preferably to the highest setting. Next, take your dropper and place different samples of water on your concave slide. Then observe your samples and try to see if you can find any organisms inside the water. Some samples of water may not have any microorganisms inside them. After observing all the different creatures, draw down what they look like. Some organisms you may find are euglenas, protozoas, amoebas, algae, or maybe even worms or brine shrimp. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of The Science Kid. If you want to check out another video, click the button on the right to see how do televisions work. Or you can click the button on the left to see how gene and DNA mutations work. Or just you want to check out my channel, click the button in the middle. Have a fantastic day, and remember, science can always be fun.